이제 혹시 미디어 여러분들.
So this is gonna be from the media question.
네, 다시 한번 혹시 좀 짓궂은 막골리한 질문은 안 했으면
So
좋겠어요.
sana hindi, wag po tayo magkaroon ng something like na sobrang makulit na question.
오케이, 자 먼저 손 드시고.
So our first question po, mangyayari po
제가
sa
먼저 인트로듀스
Please introduce yourself po.
네, 안녕하세요. 저는 나자리가 이용입니다. From Manila Standard.
Manila Standard.
I have two questions. Now that you're performing tomorrow in front of your Filipino fans, finally, how do you feel performing your songs in front of them? And is there any specific track you chose for your Philippine stage?
이번에 필리핀 이제 내일 필리핀 팬분들 위해 이제 공연을 하시는데 혹시 준비하신 뭐 장르 같은 거나 아니면 뭐 퍼포먼스 같은 거 있으신지 좀 여쭤보겠습니다.
혹시 어떤 분이 대답을 할까요? 이게 정해진 게 없으니까 됐습니다.
Thank you for your question. For tomorrow's FanCon, I was very excited because from JO and from like friends that been to the Philippines, the fans are just like really high energy and like very warm welcoming. So yeah, that got me really excited and I was very looking forward to tomorrow. And a genre or a little teaser, I guess you can say, is I think we'll be performing something a lot of Philippine people know.
땡큐. 일단 중요한 건 우리 다 필리핀은 처음이에요.
So ang question sa kanila is their is it their first time here in the Philippines?
First time. 제2의 first time. second time.
Cebu.
세번.
Nakapunta na po siya sa Cebu.
First time.
We also first time.
First time. 여기. 주원. First time. First time. 야, 박수.
So palakpakan po natin sila.
정말 필리핀의 좋은 추억을 가져왔으면 좋겠어요.
So talaga sana it will be one of their memorable stay na ma-stay nila dito sa Pilipinas.
필리핀 친구들이 얼마나 열광적인지를 내일 경험하실 거예요.
So may experience nila kung gaano kainit ang mafe-feel nila sa concert tomorrow from the fans.
야, very sayang.
Sayang talaga. Next question po.
Sorry, next.
Pwede, madaling question ako.
Hi, I'm Jane from Anyang Opa. So, my question is, now that you're here in the Philippines for MediaCon, how does it feel that you're back? You have back-to-back FanCon and fansite event in the Philippines.
일단은 내일 콘서트를 위해 일단은 지금 준비를 하고 계신데 일단 여러 가지 이렇게 팬 사인회도 있고 콘서트도 있고 어떤 수가 각자만의 소감을 듣고 싶다고 이야기를 하셨어요.
Yeah, hello po. Thank you po for your question. And as katulad din po nung sinabi ko before, like, lagi po akong mag-isang nabalik dito sa Pilipinas. And I always promise na sa susunod po, kasama ko na po yung app. And now that finally na together na po kami nandito and finally we're doing it like media conference, FanCon, and even our fan signing as well. It's like super dream come true, I might say. Kasi hindi rin po siya madaling bagay, especially knowing the Filipinos po, kung gaano ka supportive yung mga tao. And then, hindi pa po ganun katagal since nag-debut kami, pero ganitong klaseng support and love na po agad yung nare-receive namin. Kaya we're very, very happy and more like passionate para po gawin yung mga activities namin dito sa Pilipinas po. Thank you.
Thank you. 자, 다음 어떤 질문?
Next question.
안녕하세요. I'm Jimmy from Boss Center. So, in all of the songs included in your debut album, which song do you think resonate with you personally or with your group the most? And what is the song you are most excited about to perform tomorrow?
그 데뷔곡부터 지금 현재까지 발매했던 곡 중에 개인적으로 이 곡은 나에게 맞고 이 곡을 이제 그 그룹 내에서 빛날 수 있는 곡이기도 하고 그 다음에 그 곡을 이제 나만의 좀 보여줄 수 있는 그런 퍼포먼스를 보여줄 수 있는 곡이 무엇인지를 알고 싶다고 이야기하고 있습니다.
혹시 대답을 할 수 있으시죠? 제이는
If I will choose one song po, I think mahirap po siya. Kasi for if hindi po alam nung iba sa inyo po, yung debut album po namin actually connected po siya from track 1 until to track 6 po. And sa album po namin, tinatakal po talaga niya kung ano yung naging napagdaanan namin at kung nasaan na po kami ngayon. So I think from track 1 up until to track 6 po, ayun po yung mag-represent kung sino po talaga yung ako. Kasi basically, it's our story po. And for the, I think we're most excited to perform our B-sides, I think. Because I think marami rin po kami ipa-perform tomorrow na sa FanCon nyo lang din po makikita. So,
Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. 자, next.
안녕하세요. I'm Jess from KMSFI. My question is, your upcoming concert at Araneta Coliseum is sold out in less than 30 minutes. What did you feel when you first heard the news?
Sorry, can you less than
30 minutes.
Yes, the next question.
What did you feel when you first heard the news?
이번에 아라네트 콜리세움에는 30분 뒤에도, 그러니까
30분 만에
네,
매진이
30분 만에 매진이 됐는데 그거에 대한 소감을 듣고 싶다고 얘기해요.
그 빨리 30분 만에
30분 만에 매진된 것을 이제 들었을 때 어떤 생각이 들었는지.
그걸 못 들었다. 내가 근데 지금 들었어, 이 친구들이.
Actually, it's their first time to hear that within 30 minutes na sold out.
우기 한번 얘기해.
Let's hear from Ungi.
first, when JL told me we're gonna perform at a really huge stadium,
Stadium.
so he showed me how much big it is.
Yes.
Oh my god, can we do it? Can you perform it? 근데 전석 매진이라고 하셔서
So he was really shocked kasi nang pinakita yung Araneta Coliseum, like they were thinking na kaya ba namin to? Tapos talagang namanga sila and then sold out pa siya.
그래서
JL showed me like, oh Kyung, I can't believe it. So, we're so super excited to perform at JL's hometown and also meet you guys in person. So I cannot wait for it.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you so much.
자, wait. This part. Sorry, we don't have time, so I choose two more only.
Yeah, last two more questions.
Okay. Yes.
Hello, I'm Ariel for Headline Manila and Via Lana. And congratulations, by the way. So, what kind of relationship do you hope to build with your fans from the very beginning and in the future?
그 팬분들과의 관계를 어떻게 갖고 싶고 그거를 어떻게 연결할 수 있는 끝까지 연결할 수 있는 그런 이야기를 듣고 싶다고 얘기합니다.
팬들과 앞으로 어떻게 할 것인지.
예, 팬들과 이제 연결고리를 어떤 연결고리를 만들고 싶으신지.
예를 들면 더 많은 콘서트를 할 것인지, 더 많은 팬 미팅, 이런 얘기를 좀 여러분이 계획이 있는지.
네.
제이는
Thank you po for your question. And ito po, isa po talaga siya sa pinangahawakan ng grupo na as much as possible po, lahat ng gagawin po namin, we want it to be like natural po. Because I think dapat nagsisimula rin po sa amin yung pagiging natural. Kasi by that po, I think we can connect we can connect sa fans po namin through, not only through music, but only through like just fan meeting, or like even we don't meet personally yet, just like SNS, we want it to be more natural. And for it, I think mas better din po na, we always think na mas better pong maging natural in everything kasi pang matagalan po, kumbaga. Parang ganun po yung iniisip namin. So, yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
자, 방금 나tin sila.
Next.
Hello guys, good afternoon. I'm RM Enrico from Mindanao. My question is, who are the artists you looking forward to collaborate with?
미래에 대한
콜라보레이션.
콜라보 하고 싶은 아티스트가 누구 생각하시는 분이 있으신지 혹시 있습니까?
네. 주원 군은 어떻게? 제니? 오케이. 왜?
콜라보는 당연히 저희로서 하면 좋겠지만 뭔가 지금으로서는 뭔가 저희가 조금 더
좀 더.
네, 훨씬 더 열심히 해서
야.
더 높게 성장하는 게 일단 목표지 않을까 생각합니다.
So actually, when it comes to collaboration, of course, it's our dream. Pero as of the moment, medyo iniisip pa namin na we need to perform better, we need to practice more. It's not the right timing yet for them to have a collaboration.
Very humble. Yeah.
I'm Ugi, and
Oh.
I cannot agree with that. We are so often DM us, Ariana Grande 선배님, Taylor Swift 선배님, Beyonce 선배님, all other pop stars or superstars. We're so awful. We're awful. Please DM us.
Please, okay, we will ready support to you. Okay,
Oh,
yes.
thank you.
Yes, yes. Okay, good. Sunday is Beyonce and Ungi, right? Okay, next.
Hello, welcome to the Philippines. I am Saint, and as someone who just discovered you recently, and for the many fans surely follow in the future, what can we expect from Abu in terms of your music and your journey as a group?
이번에 최근에 아오포에 대한 그룹을 발견을 하게 됐는데요. 그리고 또 이번에 또 콘서트를 하게 됐는데 미래적으로 생각하시면은 아오포에 대한 기대감이 무엇인지를 묻고 싶습니다.
네, 이건 스티븐이 한번 얘기할 수 있을까요? 스티븐?
Hello, Bo. Thank you for your question, Bo. Anyways, I think the future for ALF is, I think we would like to connect with our fans and our listeners more and try to tell a deeper story about us and also a story that fans can relate to. So yeah, I think in the future it will be more like a story about our journey. And
Yeah, and in terms of performance naman po, kasi to be honest, even us, marami pa rin po kami hindi na-discover. So I think po, for our performance-wise, marami po tayong ma-discover together na something na hindi rin po natin ina-expect. So yeah, I think it's like mystery. Yeah.
Yes, okay, thank you. 자, 라스트, 마지막 질문할게요.
It's going to be the last question.
Hi guys, I'm Paula from Pop Journal, and first I want to congratulate you for winning Global Netizen Award last night. And also welcome to the Philippines. And here's my question: how do you hope to be remembered as a K-pop idol?
그 K-pop 아이돌로서 어떻게 팬분들이 이제 기억할 수 있는 그런 사람이
어떻게 기억에 남는
사람이
사람이 되겠냐, 그룹이 되겠냐 하는 거예요. 자, 혹시 누가 대답해보자. 웅기?
It's a me. I wish we remembered as one and only K-pop idol. Okay. 저희 아홉만의 그 음악과 퍼포먼스의 색깔이 분명히 있다고 생각하거든요.
맞아요.
kasi we believe na talaga yung AOF as every performance talaga lahat very charismatic talaga siya.
저희가 음악으로 전하고 싶은 메시지
And of course, yung talagang deliberation of their music.
그런 것들을 차차 쌓아가서 아홉은 이런 이야기를 하던 팀이었지.
So yung parang iisipin na, ganito pala ang AOF, na parang magsastock ng mga books sa kanila.
그렇게 할로 페이머가 되는 게 저희 팀의 목표이기도 하니까.
And of course, one of their goal is to be a Hall of Famer sa K-pop industry.
So look forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
also, like Juwon said before, it will be very cool, and our goal is to become our own genre, like our genre.
야,
And
okay.
lastly po, I think we want to be remembered as not only as respected idols, but also like respected humans as well.
혹시 당연한 질문이겠지만 제이이 있으니까 필리핀의 가수, 싱어에 대해서도 들어본 적이 있을 것 같아요, 그죠?
So of course, diba, obviously naman si JL isang Filipino singer, so of course you have performed like
혹시 필리핀 싱어 중에 필리핀 가수 중에 아는 사람이
So do you do you know any Filipino singer currently, like on your own personal?
지금 아는 사람 있어요?
Steven. I kind of forgot the name, but it was a very famous rapper in the Philippines called Log9, yes. Log9. And yeah, when I was just studying rap and stuff, since we have a Filipino member, I started digging into Filipino rap, and I kind of discovered a lot of rappers, and he was one of them. And yeah.
오, 랑나를. 오, yes, 오케이. 자, 우리 아홉이 펼칠 내일의 멋진 공연을 기대해 주시고요.
So please stand by and talaga please expect a very phenomenal performance tomorrow ang ating ahok for their concert tomorrow.
자, 아홉이 일어나서 인사하고.
So please stand up.
스티븐, 인사해. 마이크를 대시고.
Thank you so much for tonight, and this was.
감사합니다.
Thank you.